दोस्तों नमस्कार। आप देख रहे हैं काढ़ा विथ खरे। और नमस्कार। काढ़ा विथ खरे में today I am going to discuss about the safety sevak. Why safety sevak is required. And in my earlier podcast or audio or video that might have gone through that, and you have listened the word safety sevak. And this 2 or 3 video that I'm going to discuss about the why safety sevak is required, what the role he has to play, and how that safety sevak has to be appointed, and what type of responsibility has to be assigned to the safety sevak. So today I'm going to discuss about the why safety sevak is required. And you are watching, you're viewing the Kaढ़ा with Khare. I'm Khare, Pratish Kumar Khare, and very happily I'm sharing this that what the videos and the audios I'm uploading. That I'm getting very good response for that, and thanks for that. And as I told, I promised that I'm not going to edit or totally it will be uncut. And might you are listening the various sounds, it may be some natural sound, some man-made sound may be there. But these are the things where the person are working or the worker or the supervisor or the site engineers and the construction site and the other industries, the various noise are being developed, and noise control is a separate chapter. And today, but I'm going to discuss the safety sevak and why the safety sevak is required. I will tell you the safety sevak is have the key position for the accident prevention program. But this, if you see the any legislations or any book or this word is not there. And why this has come? Why the safety sevak is required? And in one of the some comments they have asked Khareji every time saying safety sevak required. That from where it has come? Why are emphasizing to appoint the safety sevak? Why are emphasizing to that we have to go for the safety sevak system? And what is the benefit of that? Just a minute. Kaढ़ा is playing very essential role for the nowadays the COVID. Everybody is knowing about that, not required to discuss in detail. Point is here that today in this today's video, I'm going to discuss why the safety sevak is required. You know in the field, in general, I'm saying that one word is the safety supervisor. Safety supervisor, safety officer. I'm not going to other arena or other discipline, but I'm talking only for the safety. So safety officer requirement is there under the section 40B of the Factories Act 1948. But limitations are there. 1 or 2 or 3 or safety officer will be as per the requirement, as per the legislations. No management is going. Some managements are going beyond that. They are feeling that one safety officer can't manage that whole area. So the assistants are available in the form of the safety supervisor. Legislations, if you see the Factories Act and Atomic Energy Factory rules also there, and states governments also framing the rule and guiding to the industries or the construction side. Now, UCW is also available. All are describing about the appointment of the safety officer or the safety supervisors. Rules are describing about the safety. Now, this from where this safety sevak has come? this, that that one in very jolly mood. My one of the officer, when I was introducing as my earlier site where I was working, then what is encourage you that are you thinking the only the safety person will be available at that site and nobody. Sir, I am not talking about that. Okay, take the example of the construction site where the 10,000 workers are working. I mean, the peak time generally it is coming at the mega packages, mega construction sites, the bridge constructions, nuclear power plant, that construction activities are going on. Or in the, you can go nowadays the in the J and K that lot of bridges are under constructions, highway constructions. So machineries, workers are playing the vital role for the construction activities, but who has to be observed, who has to available for implementing the policy of the management. Management declaring the policy. So come out from the safety officer, come out from the safety supervisor. How many safety officer you will appoint? One, two, maximum three. And with the one safety officer, you will appoint two safety supervisor. How many person are there now? If you have appointed one safety officer and two safety supervisor, total 3 person in the safety department for the field activities. Right, sir? And that is very vast area. You can say that in general, you can say the periphery and peripheral things and other things, construction activities, 2 kilometer, 1 kilometer, the radius may be there. And in this periphery, that and within this boundary, I should say that what the boundary has been assigned by the particular construction site, or in the process industries also, one safety officer will go at one place, another two supervisor are there, they will go to the another place and they will take the round and come back to the office. Safety officer taken round, safety supervisor also taken round and noted some observations and come back to the office. There is a nowadays, I'm not going to say the bomb has to be filled. Nowadays, the electronic system is there. The format available in the that in the this electronic system, and they will send to the concern. Okay, job is over. I will start why that again. I'm repeating. Today I am discussing why the safety sevak has to be appointed. Why safety sevak is it that can see in the various way. But my point is that the safety sevak is must. And I'm not the authority. I'm not the policy maker. But I'm trying to say something. I'm trying to guide. I'm trying to this motivate, I should say. No guide, no that instruction or like that. I'm trying to motivate to the listener who are viewing my this video that you have to think about that. What the observation you have noted today? It has to be implemented. It has to take some time for implementation. I have gone through that. There is a one analysis there that low level hazards, high level. What is the high level or low level? Low level hazards are creating the converting in the fatality. This my observation is saying. There is a low level hazard, and one person has gone to the performing the task, and everything was under control. Everything was nicely managed, but amputation was there. He was working in the workshop. I am trying to motivate with the concept, the safety saver. Today, this why the safety saver is important. If you go through the safety saver, that what is the importance of the safety saver? Safety Sevak is a person who is always available in the field. And what the observation of the day, what the observation of that time, it will be implemented immediately with the help of the site in charges, civil site in charge, mechanical or electrical. That not required to note down and come to the office. There is a available format, fill it, send it. How much time it is taking? The observation which has been observed at 9 a.m., I should say, or 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. or you are very much proactive and you have gone at the before the arriving of the workers and you have seen sites, their site has to be safe, say the 7 a.m. You will come back, it will take time. You will raise that fill the detail in the format and then it will go to the concern will see, then they will minimum, if you are very fast, the digital system is giving you the high level support, but minimum it will take 1 hour for the noting it to the by the concerned person. And this 1 hour is crucial. The Safety Sevak, what the Safety Sevak will do, Safety Sevak will observe what he has observed, what the other observed, what others has suggested him. Based on that, at the site, he will try his level best. He is not the person he is having the welder or the fitter or the required classes and other things, other group. He's not, but he will, with the help of, with the assistance from the concerned site engineers, or with the support, not the assistance, support of the site engineers, site supervisors related with the concerned discipline, it will be implemented immediately then and there. This is the benefit of the appointing of the Safety Sevak. Okay, policy frame. We have written something safety always, all the ways. Okay, safety is everybody's responsibility. But how the everybody will come at the same platform for implementation of the observations or removing of the hazards from the that work area, work site? Safety Sevak will play the role here. That it is better that I have to share one example here for the clarity of the Safety Sevak. A person has come to do the welding activities at height. Right, sir? That concerned supervisor or the site engineer has seen that, they have observed that that what the required equipments are required for the welding activities for work at height. They have ensured that he has to go with all the gadgets. No doubt, safety equipment also available with him. He has gone, say about 30-meter height, and he has gone the scaffolding and started working. In this particular zone, I should say, about 15 places work is going on. Somewhere the welding work is going on, somewhere the grinding work is going on, somewhere the installation of the pipings are going on, that somewhere the bus bar installation is going on. Various disciplines are performing their tasks. Safety Sevak, who is available at the site, particular zone, I should say, zone 1. You have to have the Safety Sevak zone wise. That will come in the next video, but today I am discussing why the Safety Sevak is required. Safety Sevak is required. He has seen what the workers, welder, I should say, welder is doing the welding. He is having the goggle or shield he is having. He has seen that he is having the apron also, gloves also. required PP is heavy. But he has observed that splatters are falling. It has to be tracked. It should not fall from the 30 meter to the 0 meter. It should be tracked. Simple. As per the legislation's system, the safety officer or the site, they will observe, they will note, they will send to the concerned their observations. No. Here the safety sevak who is available at the location, he will very humbly say, we will discuss with the welder, my dear friend. You are having, I've seen you are having all the gadgets, all the PPs you are having. But this, what about this? Simple. Have the trapping device. If not available, with the support from the concerned site in charges, develop it, then start the work. Simple. That installation of the bus bar is going on. This is the metal liquid. They are using sometimes the welding required, sometimes the bolting is required, and the laying of the cable is required. Somebody is pulling the cable for laying on the right, sir. So person are pulling the cable barehanded. Should be required some observation and the notings and sending to the concern. Implement then and there. Safety Sevak observed that person are pulling the cable. They are not having the gloves. He will say, my dear friends, my dear team, stop the work for 2 minutes. Bring the gloves. Start the pulling. What will be the benefit? That there is chances of the injury was reduced, and this noted by the site supervisor of the concerned group and the engineers. And next day, no worker will come for the pulling of the cables without gloves. Simple. The point is here that are you motivating us, that the viewers and that who is watching my video, they can ask. I was saying that we have to go beyond the legislation. Yes. Go for the minimum requirement and implement the safety. I will tell you this way. One safety officer, 2 safety supervisors. You appoint the 4 safety sevak. 4, 2, 1, 7 person. This person who is the safety officer. He is having the various management requirement also. He will be not regularly available in the field. The safety supervisors, being guided by the safety officer, they will go that some observation, some requirement has come and they have gone somewhere. But this 4 safety officer will be available at the same time for the whole working period for the 4 places. I mean, places mean the zone, you can understand the zone. Under this zone, 20 places work is going on. 20 into 4, 80. 80 places will be observed at the time when the works are being performed. जब काम चल रहा है जिस लोकेशन में, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मिनिमम 80 जगह 80 प्लेसेस पे काम चल रहे हैं, तो वो जो 4 अवेलेबल सेफ्टी सेवक हैं, यदि उनके चलो मैं 4 को मैं बोल रहा हूँ 80 जगह काम, और उन्होंने 40 ऑब्जर्वेशन किए, 20 मान लो और भी कम कर लो। सिंसियरिटी पे थोड़ा सा डाउट नहीं रखना चाहिए। वो सिंसियर है क्योंकि वो बिजी हो गया दूसरे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए, तो अदर प्लेसेस पे नहीं जा पाए। बट उस पर्टिकुलर डे के लिए यदि उसने कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया या उसको किसी ने बताया, वो उसने नोट किया और देन एंड देयर उसने उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया, तो मैसेज पूरे 80 प्लेसेस पे गया। जैसे एग्जांपल, वो जो वेल्डर काम कर रहा है 30 मीटर हाइट पे, उसने ऑब्जर्वेशन में एक तो उसको ट्रैकिंग डिवाइस के लिए बात किया, फिर वो देखा कि ये जो बेल्ट पहना है इसमें कुछ तो भी बेल्ट में पोर्शन में पर्टिकुलर कुछ तो भी कट सा दिख रहा है। क्या होगा प्रॉब्लम? दैट्स कॉल्ड द वियर एंड टियर इन द सेफ्टी बेल्ट। बाई चांस वेल्डर वेल्डिंग करते हुए स्लिप कर गया, ये जो पर्टिकुलर कट पोर्शन है, यहीं से वो जब बाई चांस गिरा, प्रिजर्वेटिव बेल्ट होता किस लिए? बचाने के लिए। लेकिन यहीं से वो कटना शुरू हो जाएगा, उसकी लोड से, इम्पैक्ट से बेचारा सेफ्टी बेल्ट पहन के भी सेफ नहीं हो पाएगा। तो सेफ्टी सेवक क्या करेगा? देन एंड देयर उस वर्कर को वहां से काम से हटाने की जरूरत नहीं है। वर्कर वहां पे 2 मिनट, मैं बार बार ये वर्ड यूज करता हूँ, सेफ्टी सेवक का ऑब्जर्वेशन और इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, इट्स रिक्वायर्ड 2 minutes ओनली। How I will, in the next video, will discuss that what he will do, will call the concerned safety supervisor or the site engineer, this belt has to be replaced. And that will be replaced then and there at the location. Otherwise, older system में क्या होता है, तुम्हारा सेफ्टी बेल्ट खराब है, जाओ बदल के आओ। बेचारा वो वर्कर जो 30 मीटर्स पे काम करने गया, फिर वो नीचे उतर के आ रहा है, फिर वो जाके अपने इंचार्ज से बात कर रहा है, जो भी उसका सुपरवाइजर या साइट इंचार्ज है, फिर वो जा रहा है स्टोर में, वहां से सेफ्टी बेल्ट आ रहा है, फिर वो उसको पहनना, मतलब कितना समय लॉस हुआ, हाउ मेनी टाइम हैज बीन लॉस्ट, यू कैन कैलकुलेट दैट। एंड विद दिस सेफ्टी सेवक सिस्टम, it has taken maximum 10 minutes at the location itself for implementation of the observations. So you can understand in this maintaining the safety requirement. Why safety sevak is required in the beginning, I was discussing it. Maintaining the safety aspects, maintaining the safety requirements, implementation of the observations, and without losing the time. Time is very much essential for the construction sites. Time management, you can't deny the time management. Time management is very must. Everything is targeted. And when necessary, we are losing the time for the implementation of the very silly observations. Think beyond that. If something happened, you can calculate that. The hidden cost, visible, all the cost you can calculate it. So my dear friend, appoint the safety saver, prevent the accident. I should say that way. And implementation of the observation छोड़ दीजिए, aspects, एक basic aspects है। Painting, एक example ले रहा हूँ मैं। This painting work is going on somewhere. मतलब छोटा तो बहुत, हम लोग घर में कर लेते हैं पेंटिंग, और पेंट का डब्बा लाके कोई भी ब्रश मार लेते हैं। जब वो इंडस्ट्री में आदमी आया है काम करने, तो पहला उसका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? मास्क। मास्क आजकल मास्क बहुत जरूरी है। लेकिन मैं अभी सेफ्टी सेवक से रिलेटेड बातें कर रहा हूँ। तो उसको क्या करना है, थिनर से प्रोटेक्शन है, केमिकल प्रोटेक्शन। देखिए एक छोटा सा काम है, इट्स वेरी, द पेंटिंग इज नॉट वेरी, बट इट्स a total engineering. But in general, I'm talking that thinner is a chemical, paint is a chemical, that it will this if they smell also, somebody can bear with that, somebody can't bear that. Some giddiness may be there when they are doing the painting. If they are working at height, and I don't know that it is a must, that what is the condition of the worker when he has come on the duty, he has taken the proper breakfast or not. So chemical safety is a very different, another subject may be there, but here I am saying that basic, he has to have the helmet, basic requirement. He should have the mask, he should have the gloves, he should have the system for the carrying of the paint. And if he is going working at height, he should have the safety belt. ये जो मैंने आपको लिस्टिंग की है, तो ये जो 8 या 10 लिस्टिंग की है, तो इसमें 8-10 ऑब्जर्वेशन होंगे, बस सिंपल, इसमें 30 सेकंड्स भी नहीं लगते. इट इज नॉट टेकिंग 30 seconds टू चेक, एंड रेगुलर चेक will be done by the safety sevak, not the regular check in the, अरे तुम आओ इस तरह से, तो बेचारा 500 वर्कर्स उस जगह, यार चलो 50 वर्कर्स काम कर रहे हैं, तो 50 वर्कर्स को रोक करके नहीं देखना उसको कि तुम क्या लिया क्या नहीं लिया, सब करने दीजिए, फ्रिस्किंग और ये सब चल रहा है, सिक्योरिटी वाले देख रहे क्या कर. वो सेफ्टी सेवक वहां से शुरू होता है जहां पे काम करने के लिए वो परफॉर्मर आए. Before arriving of the performer, the responsibility lies with the concerned supervisor, site engineer charges. When the performer is performing the task at the location, safety sevak's observation start from there, and the observations has to be shared and implemented at the location. For that purpose, safety sevak. सोचिए, अपॉइंट की, फायदा मिलेगा. You will be benefited if you are appointing the safety sevak. And it's my experience. With my experience, I'm sharing with you. Appoint the safety sevak. Why the safety sevak is required, I have discussed. Next, in the next video, I will discuss the how to appoint the safety sevak. So with that, namaskar, and don't forget to take the required kala for the prevention of the COVID. Wear the mask, maintain the safe distance. फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में आपके साथ. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.